Hello po, good morning! So, andito po kami ngayon sa dressing room ni na Kuya Flo.
First team! Monday magpasikat. Let's go!
Let's go! Woo! Ito na! It's Team Bong for today. Let's go, Kuya Bong, Kuya Jugs, and Kuya Daddy. Hey, finally, we are here.
The one and only.
Apple, yes! Putting my money sa aking wallet.
Because her wallet is so messy.
I know,
So we
right?
have to fix everything.
You did not fix it. Hello everyone, it's 10 p.m. and right now we're just rehearsing for Team Jong. So bukas meron pa kaming Team Ann na i-rehearse kasi sa Wednesday na yun. And today is Monday, by the way. Sa Team Ann, mag-rehearse kami the day before the performance. Pero ngayon sa Team Jong, nag-rehearse kami like matagal na, pasulpot-sulpot kasi medyo mahaba-haba din naman yung part namin dito. Hello everyone, good morning, and today is the second day of Magpasikat. It's Tuesday. I'm eating sa car kasi hindi ako nakakain sa bahay, and for today, hindi ako mag-makeup sa dressing room kasi kahapon sa bahay na ako nag-makeup. So, tara!
Kaya sila? Nasaan ba sila?
By the way, can you make linis the house at parating na ang mga pamangkin ko?
Original ng Encantadia! So, ayun na nga po, natapos na nga po ang Team Karil, and sobrang galing, sobrang entertaining. Sobra yung pag-perform sumayo si Ate Lassie, si Ate MC, si Chang, and of course, Ate Karil. And which is, sobrang galing kasi na-reunite pa siya with the original cast of Encantadia. Bye-bye po! So, ayun, hinahanap daw pala kami. Umuwi muna kami to rest. Ayan si Ariel. Kasama namin siya sa T&D house. Kumakain muna ako. Tapos, higa na din ako. Mamaya pa kasi kami 6. Anong oras pa lang? Parang 3 pa lang. Or 2 something. I don't know. We are back. And it's 6 o'clock. Look at my eyes. It's so cold! Kaya lumabas mo muna kami kasi maninigas ka sa studio. Nanginginig kasi ate Ina sa may phone niyo. Arian, anong ginagawa mo?
Maging Transformers.
Nadidipcross na daw siya.
Ganun ka ulit.
Hey! Namimigay ka? Back to work, everyone. So, it's empty. Narinig niyo na may music dahil papasok tayo na studio. Good morning, everyone. It's 12 a.m. and we are still here rehearsing. Kaya kailangan nyo manood. It's already November 8. Happy Monterey. Happy Monterey.
Binaba na yan, huwag na kayo mag-assign ng tube.
Please pa lang. Ulit-ulit. Happy 6 Monterey. Happy 6 Monterey.
Segment ni
Good
Ryan.
morning. It's a 7:30 call time pero almost 9 na. It's 8:41 and
Yan yung
nag-rehearse
ginalaw
na po ulit
natin.
kami for Team Ann.
So, mama.
Hello everyone, we're going to M Place right now. So, yes. tapos na po yung live, tapos na rin yung ganap namin sa Team An. So, let's go to Team Jong. But before that, we're gonna buy ice cream because Ariel's craving for it.
Tutas na kulay dilaw. 1, 2, 3.
Banana.
Oh, planggana?
Banana.
Sana fast food chain na ina-endorse ng Showtime Movies. 1, 2, 3.
Makdo.
Hey, ma'am.
Everyone, we are done. We're just waiting for the service and everybody's having meeting yung per group. So tomorrow probably late na naman kami makakauwi because it's another magpasikat day. Good morning! Lakad kami for today. Hiyang-hiya naman po yung outfit namin sa dalawang ito.
The tragedy lies in having no goal to reach.
8 p.m. rehearsals. It's the last day of our rehearsal day. Actually, meron pa bukas ng morning. Pero it's like, bukas kasi ng umaga. Diretso na tayo ng performance. Today, it's rehearsal. Another day, another pagod. We don't know kung anong oras tayo makakauwi. Kasi balita namin sa kabilang team, 6 a.m. na sila kanina umaga nakauwi. Like, inumaga na sila. Kami, sana, hindi na pa kami umagahin lang. Okay. 2 a.m. Mama Ched, ate ka. So, sila pa yung guys sa buhok ko ngayon. Labanan tayo sa buhok. So, nandito na kami sa backstage kasi magsa-start na Magpasika Team JK. Let's go! Everyone, tapos na. OMG. Ay, ano yan, Jella? Ah! Juby! Wala eh. Wala eh. Best part we have, let's show. This is it, awarding.